weird. There's so much LOL dolls here. That's because today we will be unboxing LOL Fashion Crush. Don't forget to subscribe so you will not miss my new surprises unboxing videos. And I hope I will get something new, not something that I already got. And these are really cute. I can name some of them for you. And then some of them, you guys have to comment down below what's their actual name before we open this. This is Posh, Center Stage, and I know her name, but I want you guys to comment down below her name because it's going to be a secret. And by the way, she's Glitter, so if you know her name, just comment Glitter and then you comment her name. And then I have Sugar. And also comment her name if you know what her name is. I'm not going to tell you. I'm going to be silent. So those are the only LOLs I have. There's only 5 of them. And last time we got something that she has on. And I want you guys to see the video up there because you do not, I don't think you guys know shoe, it's a shoes. I'm sorry, I accidentally said it out loud, but it's the shoes. They're cute and cuddly kitty shoes. So here's the LOL Fashion Crush Serious I Spy, and there are 3 surprises, including the Jelly Crush. So I think it's 3 and above. I got this for $1.50. It was $3.48, but it's a clearance now. So $1.50. I got scissors just in case. And let's open. It says you can just peel it off this little cute zipper. And then you can just peel off the wrapping. And then let's see, we got the collector's guide here. And we'll see that after we get this. So it looks like we got a blue one. Last time we got a gold one. Hopefully I will not get the same thing I got last time. So it has another one up here. And there's like a zipper. And these are jelly surprises, which make it funner than they already are. So that's one, the other zipper. And then we have our I Spy glass, magnifying glass. Looks cute. And then we can just open it here. See, it's like it says laundry, and you can see like something popping out of there. So cute, but last time we got a gold one. And it says you have to open it from here. I am so excited what I will get. But first, guys, before we see what's inside, I want you guys to click at the corner to see what's inside of these mini boos. So now we can just open these up. These are so fun. I love LOLs. And let's reveal the color of our jello. It's blue. I think last time it was like a clear pink, but now it's a clear blue. You can see inside it. So glittery. And then it looks like you just pop it out like that. And I think we got something new. It's fun. As you guys can see, our jello surprise. It's like really oily. It's like oily slime. It's like maybe dry or sticky. And then you can just put your fingers in. You have to put your fingers in. It's like so squishy to get all of your surprises. So we got a cute little skirt. It's like really sticky. It's like, guys, if you don't know, if you never had this, you do not know how sticky it is. It's like extremely sticky. You have to get the jello out of all the shoes so that it will look neat. And here is her shirt that you can put on her. And then we have the other shoe, which will be our final one. I think so. Is there any other surprises? Nope. Just shoes in the outfit. Cute shoes in the outfit. It's not just shoes in the outfit. In the outfit, it's cute shoes and a cute outfit. Did we get all the Jello? Yeah, we did. It's like so gross, but so cute at the same time. Now we can open our collector's guide. It's like getting lots of jelly on it. So let's see if we got anything else. I'm gonna show you guys the other one I got. Okay, we kind of ripped it there. We got something from the sleepover cup last time. These are so cute. And let's see what we got this time. So it looks like we got the athletic club. Such a cute one. And I was not expecting something to get really cute. And even though it's like cuter than I thought it would be. Now let's just choose another little doll. Will we choose that one? I'm not going to say it. Or will we choose Sugar? I think let's choose Sugar. So, Sugar has an interesting hair look. And a really cute outfit also. So we can just take her shirt off. And put it away, maybe in the laundry basket. And then I'm going to put her shoes away too. And then let's put her skirt on. And try to put her on. Put it on. Oh, this is the easiest way to do it. It's a little hard. Okay, so we got her skirt on. Guys, do you think this could be a cheerleader? Let's read it up close. I think that's a cheerleader, but I think this is, I don't know exactly what this is. Comment down below if you know which one it is. I think that one might be basketball. And that one too. And maybe that's tennis ball. And then we can just put the rest of the outfit on the doll. So let's just put this cute top. I think this is a cheerleader, I just think. It could be. Okay, it's kind of difficult to put her shirt on because you have to get both the ODRs at the same time. But guys, I know that we can do it. Because if everybody else can do it, that means we can do it. We can do anything. There is our cute outfit without the shoes. And then we can put the shoes on. These are so cute. I wish I had all the outfits, really. And if I got a duplicate, that's fine. It probably could be they probably could be twins. If you get another LOL doll and then you get another Fashion Crush outfit, then they could be identical twins. So here's the complete outfit on the doll. Looks so cute. Do you agree? And let's see if we got a common, a fancy, or a rare, or ultra rare. So it looks like here we got the blue one. So we got a common. It's very, very basic, but really cute at the same time. Let's try to find the one that's ultra rare. I see a rare one. Wait, I think this is an ultra rare one. Probably because it's so cute and glittery. So it is ultra rare. Is there any more on the back? No, it's just words and stuff. And you can, but so the adult's I spy you. I can spy you. She spies you. And this is I found out in a few months or weeks, this turns hard. It does. It turns really hard. So you can only play with it once, And that's the day you unbox it. So it's a really cute outfit. It's the end now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I hope this video made your day. I think it's really fun for you guys. And if you guys love LOLs, comment hashtag LOL only on this video and the other fashion crush video, which will be part 1, and this is part 2. It's the end, so we can like pretend that they're in a swimming pool. And be sure to tap on my circle for more. And if you subscribe, you get 1 million cookies. And also the LOLs, because they subscribed too. Yes, we did. I did too. So they get 1 million cookies. And guys, if we can reach 50 subscribers, that would be awesome. And I would try to do something new for you guys as best as I can. So don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell, like, and comment down below. Bye.